What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a muted but bold, soft, blown out green eyeshadow look. Only using two shadows, so if you're interested in watching how I get it done, then stay tuned. Well, first I'm gonna start off with the e.l.f Poreless Putty Primer. Put that all over my face. Make sure to really moisturize and massage it in. I apparently forgot that I talked in the beginning of some of these clips. Y'all gonna hear me in a little bit, but anyway, I got me a mic, y'all. Yeah, y'all gonna hear me, spit a little game, a little soft, smooth talk, soft radio talk, whatever. It's cool. It's cool, yeah. But just listen to these clips, and then I'll come back later on.
Probably like an hour ago. Actually, no, I lied. I just got out of bed maybe like an hour ago. But yeah, good morning. I'm about to go run and do some errands. I gotta return a wig. I'm wearing a wig today. Y'all gonna see it. I didn't feel like braiding my hair, so we wigging it up. Plus my edges needed a break, so like I said, we wigging it up. But yeah. Run some errands today. Chill today. The JBP dropped the podcast, so I'm def watching that today. It's 3 hours. Yes, longer than a movie. Ooh. I don't know what look I'm going for today, but should I match my shirt? Blue turquoise turtleneck. It's 40 again, 4 degrees. Shoot. I discovered Shein. I'm addicted. Categories already saved. I got clothes. Plan on buying. I'm waiting just so the weather can kind of get a little bit warm, or at least a constant warmth, like 75-ish. Because the stuff I got in the cart, bathing suits, rompers, little one pieces. Skin is all out this summer, I'm telling you right now. Skin is out with the mask. Yeah, what color am I today? Let's see. Should I use the Fit Me or the Revolution stick? And I like to match my chest, so either that one or Lay Fit Me. I might go with the stick today because this kind of go orange on me. But yeah, I had some topics I wanted to talk about today. I just forgot. I was supposed to write them down yesterday. I dropped one of my classes, biology, because I hate it. Couldn't do it. Annoyed me deeply. Oh, I ain't color correct. Oops. I'm wearing a wig anyway. It's fine.
But yeah, like I said, I dropped a class. That shit had to go. Like, oh my god, teacher was doing too much. But yeah, anyway, I'm living life right now. It's my little update. It's probably more to come. I got a haul coming soon, so we'll get into that later on. But yeah, back to the video. Right now, I'm just taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 340 Cappuccino all over my face. I thought I put enough, but I'm just adding a little bit more. I think I only did it to one side. But yeah, this color, like back then, it matches me now because I got a little tan. The sun been out. It's been a month, so I apologize for the wait. But yeah, this shade, it kind of matched. I didn't even care because I was wearing a turtleneck, so yeah, I just put it on with a little flat foundation brush, or just a brush that I use for foundation, and just blended it in, make sure everything was looking right. Wasn't trying to look patchy nowhere, But yeah, like, how y'all been? It's been a little minute, I'm getting new subscribers, new people. Welcome, join. Make sure you do subscribe. You do put that notification bell on, like the video, share, do all of that. Now I'm just taking the LA Colors Orange Concealer and just putting it pretty much wherever I think I needed it, which is under my eyes, around my nose. I think I get a clip of me putting it around my mouth, but if not, yeah, around my mouth, little hyperpigmentation areas. But yeah, just lay it down and then blend it out. And to do that, I just took like a little concealer brush. Is that a concealer? Yeah, it looked like it. From Wet n Wild, and made sure everything was blended. I blended my life away. I blended like my life depended on it. Like, I don't want no orange showing at all. I even used my foundation brush to come back and do it. But yeah, next, I added my NYX Cancer Won't Stop Concealer in Golden Honey. Just placing it in all like the highlighted areas that I normally highlight in. My under eyes, my nose, my upper lip, my forehead. You know, the little halo type of sun glow. You know, right in the middle, smack dab in the middle. But yeah, let it dry for like a good, probably like 3 minutes. Came back, blended it out. Oh, I did take my e.l.f sponge after all. But yeah, I blended that. The blend was beautiful. I let it dry like the Jackie Aina way, just so I get more coverage. But I think I went in and put more anyway because I got some darkness around my nose. And back to the part where I said I'm addicted to Shein. I don't even know if I said it yet. I don't know. But yeah, I'm addicted to Shein. I did do place an order. And I am going to be doing a haul pretty soon. I'm waiting for like a second shipment of stuff that I ordered in. So I'll put that up for y'all maybe, I guess, when I feel like editing. I don't care. It's my videos. I don't care. I'm gonna take breaks, mental health breaks. They matter. So yeah, I'm just blending it in. I think I'm doing powder right now. I'm not even paying attention to this video. I kind of just want to talk. But am I doing powder? Yeah. The powder I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photofocus and Translucent. Like, I be hitting crease lines, so I kind of caked it on right there, aka baking. And I just did that around my mouth. But still, how do you, whoever's watching this, if you ever wear makeup or if you do wear makeup, how do you get your smile lines to not crease, especially in like pictures and stuff? I tried to pack it on, like I said, but I'll show y'all pictures maybe at the end, or if you want to go see them actually on my makeup Instagram page, which is, I changed the name. I got like 4 different Instagrams now, but yeah, I changed the name. I feel like I'm talking too fast, but it don't matter. But I changed the name. And it's Tmyah'sWorld, no underscore, just Tmyah'sWorld, TmyahS world right after. So if y'all want to go check out the pictures, but yeah, you can see like my smile lines in the photos that I did take. So yeah, just let me know if you have any advice. Oh yeah, my brush broke. Yeah, my favorite brush. I gotta order another one. The bronzer that I am using is the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in Dark. It's so good. Like, look at the color. Oh my god. It just, it blends. It looks so bomb in pictures, bro. And I don't know how, but every time I be bronzing like in the right spots. It used to be muddy when I first started. I guess practice. You gotta kind of get used to that. But yeah, like just do it around the perimeter. The little cheekbones, hit them cheekbones. I had to make sure it was blended so I don't look muddy. I think I did my nose. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I just took that powder brush that I used earlier and blended everything in just so it looked right. I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Glow Highlighter. I did both. Yeah, I forgot to put on blush. I was bugging. But yeah, I took that on a like contour Wet n Wild brush. You can get these brushes at like the dollar store, Walmart. I usually go to Dollar Tree because it's $1 and it's cheaper. And I like to save and I'm frugal. But yeah, I put that on the high points of my face before blending it out with my finger because I don't like to look OD because it'd be too much. But yeah, I'm just doing that all over my face. I realize I talk in a sing-songy way. I apologize if this annoys you. Now I'm adding the blush. I honestly forgot which blush I used. Probably the Wet n Wild one. Anyway, I'll just have all the products listed in the description. The ones that I completely missed and didn't talk about. But yeah. I just put that on where I put the blush. My nose, you gotta hit that nose. Ooh. Blend it again because I ain't trying to look crazy. Set it. Ooh, had to set that bit with the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go spray. It's so good. It smells good too. Did I use it? I swear I do. My clips. Okay, I was about to say. I know I use it. My broke neck. Look at that. I gotta go to Cairo again. But yeah, I missed that everywhere. I missed like half the bottle on my face. Look at that. It's gonna set real nice though. Yeah, it choked me out a little bit. Scent was a little overbearing, but I went in again. Let that air dry. Now right here, I think my mom walked in. I had a package from Amazon. It was a wig. I sent this wig back. It did not look right on me at all. Like the roots, it was just horrible. But yeah, back to the video. What did I take? This video is gonna be crazy. I don't even care. But like the video, if you like me talking over these clips, or if you actually just want me to shut up and listen to the music, let me know in the comments. Of course, subscribe. Make sure you ready for the channel. You ready to be a part of the gang. This was new back when I first did this video. It was the Wet n Wild Brow Sessive Brow Shaping Gel. I got it in the shade Clear. At first, I didn't like it at first. You see how it is? I don't know. Maybe I used too much. Maybe I used too little. But yeah, or maybe it could have been from the products that I use in my brows. Oh yeah, and my hot breath I had to use on the Putty Eye Primer from E.l.f. I just like the melt, and I had nails, so we falling behind. Let me just skip. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have all the products that I use in the description below. But yeah, I'm just taking, I think, which one is this? This was the Jcat Beauty single eyeshadow from the series, the Flying Solo line or whatever. It was in the shade Hangover. I just used my ring finger. Is that my ring finger? Yeah. I used my ring finger and put that over my eyelid. Packed it on, make sure it was opaque enough for me to layer these neck shades on. Took these random fluffy brushes, make sure, to blend. But yeah, this shade was cute. I forgot I had it in my collection. So, I just went with green today. Thought I was gonna do blue just to match my shirt like I said in the beginning, but nah, I did blue before. But yeah, now I'm taking, it was a green in this Revolution palette, the Reloaded Euphoria palette, and I use that to blend out the green some more. And it wasn't the top green shade, but the green shade that's all the way to the right, under the pink, above the black, if you get this palette. But yeah, I use my ring finger again to layer on that green from the said Revolutions palette. Fast forwarded to this muted, bomb, blown out green eye, baby. Yes, ma'am. And now I think you can add any green pretty much. I just layer both. They both kind of look the same, so it don't really matter. But yeah, I made sure to get it in my waterline because I didn't have like a green liner that matched this look, because I just wanted just a really blown out, dramatic, but not too dramatic, because I did go out after this. I went to Kohl's. But yeah, not too dramatic. And I just put it all on my bottom lash line, blended it again, hit that bottom lash line with the blending brush. I kind of just went with whatever, because I don't know. But yeah, y'all see this purple? Ew, I might do that next time. But yeah, I wanted something bold, but not, I don't know. I forgot what I did. But yeah, this palette, that is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Jeweled palette. I don't know if they sell this anymore, but yeah. I think I just kept the green. Went simple. I took the Better Than Sex mascara. Yep, got it in my eye. Pissed. And just proceeded to put it all over my lashes. I don't know if I like this mascara. It's a little flaky. I'm waiting to use it up because I like to use up all my makeup and stuff before I buy it again. That's why I low-key keep using these same palettes. Taking some shade of lip liner that I will list in the description box below, along with my Twitter, my Depop, because I am selling clothes that I'm really trying to get rid of and buy some more. And yeah, I'm just taking this all over my slightly dry lips now that I'm noticing, but it's fine. Thought I got it on my teeth, but yeah, I just took this dark brown shade. It looks reddish. It's fine. Yeah, it'll match. But yeah, I didn't know what lip to wear. The white tubes are Wet n Wild, the high shine line. Little white. I think that was the e.l.f one. The e.l.f. Yeah, the e.l.f ones that I wanted badly. They lay a little dry, not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm sure, I don't know, maybe I had to moisturize. But yeah, they're very matte. So I went in with the Wet n Wild High Shine. I think that's Peach Please because it is kind of bright. And yeah, made sure I blended that all together. Gave me like the perfect nude that I like. Not really like a nude, but like a burgundy nude. Almost done, y'all. Look, cleaning it up. Yeah, you see, little Q-tip action going on. But yes, we're finished. Skin looking bomb. Over here dancing. I don't even know what I was listening to, but shit, we lit. Got my wig cap on. Threw the wig on real quick, cause you know edits. Yes, partying. Ew. This wig was cute. Gave me 70s vibes. Here goes some more poses. I look good. Yes, you already know it. Bye, y'all.